In this video, we'll show how users can integrate Servicely with Microsoft Teams for major incident swarming. So in the Servicely platform, let's first create our major incident. I'll hit create so I can populate only the mandatory fields, an assignment group and a classification. And then on the major incident tab, I'll set this to major incident is yes. I'll accept the confirmation message, and now I'll populate the mandatory fields. Here I can specify who that major incident stakeholder is, as well as any of those additional stakeholders that we would want to bring in to swarm on this major incident. Now, once those users have been identified and I save the record, at the bottom of the screen, I get a Create Teams Major Incident chat button. This prompts the platform to create that group chat, pass some information over into Microsoft Teams, and when I change it to my Teams window, we can see that a new group chat has been created. The group chat includes the incident number, the description, and is entirely configurable to meet our needs. From within the Teams chat, I can have a conversation with those critical stakeholders. And when that conversation is finished, I can use the power of the platform to go back and summarize that conversation, so that way we can get all of the action items and all of the notes back down into the platform without needing to copy and paste. If I click the Export Teams Major Chat Messages button, the platform will retrieve the information, run it through our configurable large language models, and put the content back into the platform. It'll include things like what users performed what actions and when, as well as any other activities that need to be completed upon the completion of this task.